Singapore has raised its risk assessment status for the novel coronavirus to orange. It's now at the second highest alert level, and it comes after confirmation of 3 new cases here. All 3 patients have no known links to previous cases or a travel history to China. There are now 33 confirmed cases of the virus in Singapore. Cheryl Goh with this report.
So the level was raised to orange as there are now 4 local cases in Singapore where they have no links to previous cases, and they also have no travel history to China. And this includes a teacher who is at Victoria Junior College, and she is currently isolated at Parkway East Hospital. So contact tracing continues for these cases to establish, how they contracted the virus. So what this means is that there is community spread of the virus here in Singapore, and the DORSCON orange level will remain indefinitely, as authorities say it is really still too early to determine if this could change at any point at this time. Now, what orange means is that the disease is severe and contagious, but the spread is currently contained. Now, this is up from the previous level, which is yellow, which indicates that the virus is spreading outside of Singapore, but is contained locally. So this basically means there will be additional measures across the board, but Health Minister Gan Kim Yong, who is also the co-chair of the Ministerial Task Force on the novel coronavirus, says that life must go on.
I understand that Singaporeans are anxious, concerned, and there is much that we do not yet know about the virus. New information is emerging daily. We expect that this is likely to take time to resolve, maybe months. Life cannot come to a standstill, but we should take all the necessary precautions and carry on with life. We will do our best to contain the situation and keep Singaporeans safe.
Organizers have been advised to cancel or defer any non-essential large-scale events, but if they do wish to proceed, they will have to put in place the necessary precautionary measures, and these include, of course, temperature screening as well as heightened vigilance for any individuals who may seem unwell at these events. The government is also recommending all employers at workplaces do twice daily temperature checks at the workplace. And they are also encouraging telecommuting as well as workforce segregation, and this is really to ensure business continuity and that all operations can continue on a day-to-day basis. There will also be temperature screening and stricter entry control at all hospitals, and also special attention will be paid to all pneumonia patients. In schools, all group activities will be suspended immediately until the end of the March holidays, and this is in addition to the earlier measures that were announced, such as staggered recess times. Preschools and elder care facilities will also limit the number of visitors that can go into their premises. Minister Lawrence Wong, who is also a co-chair of the task force, says these measures will continue to evolve as the novel coronavirus situation also evolves.
Overall, we are still working hard and doing our very best to prevent broader community spread of the virus in Singapore. So that remains our strategy today, but we have to be prepared for the situation to evolve in different ways. One scenario could well be that despite our very best efforts to contain, ring-fence and isolate each case that comes up, despite our best efforts at doing so, there is wider community spread. And if so, as we have done already, we will have to reassess the situation if the situation worsens, and we may well have to take more stringent measures beyond what we are announcing today.
Authorities have also urged the public, reiterated again, that they really need to pay attention to personal hygiene, as the community effort in this respect will really be crucial in containing the spread. They've even gone so far as to recommend that people not shake hands during this period and really adopt alternative forms of greetings.